Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and we are Cooking with Jack show. So welcome to the show. Today we're going to do some sous vide ribs, and I'll explain that in a minute. But first, I just want to let you know. Do you remember back a few months, I went to Bluffton, South Carolina, and brought back some great seasoning. Well, I did a little bit of shopping, and then yesterday I also went to Home Goods and did a little bit of shopping. And both places, Bluffton and Home Goods, I bought a bunch of kitchen stuff. So I'm going to do a video soon and show you all the stuff I bought. I haven't used it yet. It's all brand new. I'm going to try and implement it into the show and all that stuff. So I'll be showing you everything that's been sitting around my kitchen and just been collecting dust right now. But I want to start using it on the show and get it involved. Stuff for barbecue and stuff for cooking, stuff for everything. All right, now to the food at hand. Do you remember my buddy Terry at the Baldwin barbecue that I go to every year? Remember him? He has a secret barbecue sauce, and he gave me a whole quart of it right there. The stuff's really good. I mean, it's like the opposite of my barbecue sauce that I sell. I sell a sugar-based sauce. He sells a vinegar-based, like a mustard vinegar-based North Carolina sauce. I don't do that. I do more of a Kansas City, Texas. Texas does a lot of sugar-based barbecue sauces. So I thought, wow, this would be really good on ribs. Really good, because we have it on our pork every year at 4th of July. So how about I get a big bag of ribs, and I'll shrink wrap them, and I'll do it in terry sauce. So I did. I got a big bag. Literally, I measured it out and cut it, and then I sealed it, took all the air out, sealed it, and I'm going to sous vide the ribs in my buddy Terry's sauce. Terry, I love you, brother. Thanks for the sauce. Teresa, thanks for delivering it. And we're going to put it in the water bath, and we're going to cook it. And now, if you don't know what sous vide is, a lot of you don't know what sous vide is. It's a French way of cooking, and a lot of steakhouses do it. What they have is different bath temperatures, and they can keep your steak at a certain temperature for like 4 hours. So like if you're a medium rare guy, they will go in and reach in the medium rare bath, and that will be holding your steak for probably since 2 p.m. And now it's 4 p.m. and you're ready to do dinner. It'll pull the steak out, and then they'll cut the plastic, and then they'll put it in a cast iron and butter and season it and everything. They finish it off in a pan, and that was sous vide style. It allows you to take your meat all the way to a certain temperature in a bath water set at that temperature. Can't go above it. So it holds at that temperature, so you don't have to worry about overcooking or anything. Well, I'm going to do that with my ribs, and then we're going to finish them off in the oven with a broiler flame to crisp, give it an outer crust. That's it. So you sous vide, and then you can, like if it's a steak, you can give it a reverse searing. When you're done, you can give it an outer crust. I'm going to do ribs in the oven with my broiler flame, and you may have a browning wire. I don't know what you have in your oven, but we're going to be getting this started. So I'm going to plug in the sous vide device. Is this wand here? I use the Joule, and I have a link down below if you're interested. The Joule wand has been the best. I've reviewed a bunch of different brands, and the Joule wand just seems to work the best. And I have an app on my phone. I'm going to set it to what I want it, and I'm going to start cooking, and it'll tell me when it's done. When it's done, I will take it out. We're going to put it on a cookie sheet and pop it in the oven. I'll show you all that, okay? But let's get in the water bath right now. Let's get it started. Make sure you're in an air like tight bag that all your meat is submerged. If not, get a brick from the outside and set it right on top so that this is all underwater. Mine was sealed with the food saver, so there's no air in the bag. So it's underwater right now. Okay, my Joule is preheating the water. I took the ribs out because I don't want the ribs to start cooking yet. It's going to be a 4-hour cook, but I wait till this water has reached 167 degrees on my phone. Once it reaches that, I'll put the ribs in, okay? So right now that wand is heating the water, keeping it at 167 exactly. Okay, so we're going to finish this off on the broiler, okay? So what I did was I took it out about 5 to 10 minutes early before the timer went off. And I'm going to put this under the broiler to kind of get my sauce caramelized and get the ends crispy. It should come out perfect. So let's put a little bit of sauce on here. Oops. There we go. Now let's put this in the oven. All right, this is how you finish off the ribs. Little burnt tips, nice little outer browning crust. It's all been cooked for sous vide, but I wanted to get the outside just right. So we're gonna cut this up and see how it tastes. And there you go, sous vide ribs finished off with a little broiler flame, and they came out beautiful. Let's give these a try. All right, guys, let's try this one right here. You ready? Here we go. Clean off the bone, not falling off the bone. Okay. Marinating and leaving it in and letting the meat cook with the barbecue sauce. It's all throughout the meat. It works like a charm. Just try it out. Marinate, wrap it, seal it. I don't care. Leave it in all night. That vinegar penetrated that meat so good. That mustard flavor that's in that barbecue sauce is so good. I don't care, before you smoke it. Marinate it and put it in the fridge, all wrapped in food saver bag. All right, that's it. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. So good. Home run, guys. I'll bet my career on this one, okay? Check it out, try it, and let me know what you think. I love you. See you in the next episode.